my equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a really fun and pretty horse Christmas ornament to hang on your tree using just a few things. It's so easy. So first I started with some Breyer. These were Stablemates that came in a package I got from Walmart like 2 years ago, and I never did anything with them. And then I just took some ornaments that I'm not going to be using to make this simple. And I took the top off of the ornament that already had a pretty gold hanger that was already attached. And then I'm going to glue it onto the Breyer ornament. Yes, I'm going to put this on a Breyer. Gasp! Oh no! But it's okay because it's going to be pretty on my Christmas tree. So I took the ornament topper and I just put some glue into it so that I can attach it easily to the Breyer horse. Just like that. And now I can hang up the Breyer ornament. And if I wanted to, I could hang him just like this. But I want to make it a little bit more special and a little more festive, so I'm going to add a wreath to hang around his neck. So I just took some pipe cleaners that are really shiny and Christmas colors, and I took a green pipe cleaner or Chanel stem, whatever you want to call it, and I just made it into a circle. This is going to be my wreath that's going to hang on my horse's neck. And that was a little thin, so what I decided to do was take another green pipe cleaner and fill it in a little bit and make it a little fuller. And then to make the ribbon, the red ribbon that's going to hang down from the wreath, I just took some red pipe cleaners and I simply twisted them around the end of a paintbrush. And then I did it again for the other piece, and then I just cut these out with some scissors. And then I took my hot glue gun and I just attached the ribbon pieces to the bottom of my wreath. And once the glue had dried, I could put the wreath around the horse's neck, and my Christmas ornament horse is all ready to hang on the tree. And this is a gray horse that I have hanging on the tree. These were so easy to make with just some little Breyers that I had and I wasn't doing anything with. And it's an easy way to make your own decorations to hang on your Christmas tree. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration to go make some equestrian themed ornaments for your tree. And be sure to come back tomorrow for another video in my 12 days of DIY Christmas. Thanks for watching.